How to send HD photos and videos in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send HD photos and videos in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So sending HD photos and videos in WhatsApp is the same thing. All you have to do is tap on a simple small option. So to do that, what you'll first need to do is open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, you will then need to head over to any chat where you want to send the picture. So let's say I want to send it to this group. So I'll just open this up, tap on it. And after you tap on it, you can then head over to this plus icon on the bottom left corner and select photos. After you do that, simply select your photo which you want to send and tap on the send button on the bottom right. Now this is the same for sending your videos as well. So if you send it like this, you will not send it in HD. If you want to send it in HD, tap on the plus icon again, tap on photos, select this HD button right besides the album, and then select the photo and send it. After you do that, you will have sent the picture in HD. Now the other option that you can actually do is tap on your camera icon, then tap on a photo, select a picture, and then tap on the HD button on the top here. After you select that, you will need to select HD quality and then send it. And that's basically how you can send HD photos and videos in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.